So an exciting company to bring to all of our attention today, something that is just blowing up really fast in a positive way. A company called Castellum Inc., so CTM. So this company rocketed up 80 cents a share from 58 cents to $1.38. So that's a 138% rise in one day, which is truly amazing. But why? Let's just talk about what does Castellum do. Cybersecurity, electronic warfare, software engineering, and then the consulting services to bring this all to life. And focused on federal government contracts, which is what their specialty is. Kind of sounds a little bit like Palantir many years ago. They operate in three main companies or sub-companies that they have, something called Specialty Systems, Inc., another one called GTMR, or Global Technology Management Resources, and then another one called Corvus. This company, Castellum, is really an amalgamation of many acquisitions that they've made in recent years, pulling together strengths of different technology components into one company under one roof, so they can provide an end-to-end solution for the federal government. So the big deal in the last few days, and again, we've had really a couple of off trading days here with the December 24th and 25th, very slack trading, nothing happening, of course, yesterday. This coming to you on the 26th of December. So what's happened? Well, they had two events, and one, I'll start with the less important event and then the bigger event. The less important event, they raised more money. So they raised $3.6 million at a scant 38 cents per share price tag. But it put money in their pocket and allowed them to continue operations, grow, do what they do best, which is cybersecurity development, electronic warfare, and then software engineering to their customers, the federal government. But here's the big one today that really, or in the last couple of days, that really makes the stock pop. And that is they are now, they received a government contract, an OASIS Plus contract, which is one acquisition solution for integrated services plus. So this is a really big deal. This is significant, and this can be really big for this company. And that's why you saw this 138% blow up in price, is that we really don't know what the top dollar amount is going to be on this government contract. It's really an unlimited, it's an open contract, but the government is saying, yes, we want to partner with you, Castellum, and we want you to come on and work with us in many different ways and fashions. We want to focus on cybersecurity, software engineering, and improve electronic warfare, and improve things across the enterprise of how government operates. So very big deal, government cash raise, and the OASIS contract. Huge pop in price. Let's just take a quick look at some of the fundamentals, though. After today's massive run-up, the market cap of Castellum sits at $77 million. Still a small company. Here's the surprising thing. They actually have some revenue. They reported $11.6 million in revenue in Q3. And that's up slightly from about $11.5 million in the quarter before that. So that gives us a run rate of about $45 million a year for this small company, which is better than what I was expecting, actually. With the recent cash raise, they have cash in the bank, so they continue to operate and grow. Of course, the revenue picture in the future is undetermined at this point in time, because they just got this massive OASIS contract award. So we'll see where that goes. But the expectation is that revenue can rocket from here. And then this company will continue to do what they've done in recent years, which is look for other small technology companies to acquire and integrate and provide more services. So with a fantastic contract under the belt now, and they've had some other contract wins. So when you do your due diligence, you'll see that they've been making additional small contract wins along the way here, with revenue that seems to be steady and about to explode, some cash in the bank to continue operating, and in a really hot field. Any of this cybersecurity, electronic warfare, software development, and then with the consulting services to integrate all of this into the government's offerings. This creates a recipe for a very quick moving stock. And this is going to be volatile. It was up nicely today. It'll have a little bit of a aftermarket decrease, but don't expect it to stay there. This could rocket significantly higher, I believe. Of course, do your own due diligence, but these are the type of things I want to bring to everybody's attention. It's what I'm looking at, what I'm looking for. And when management says that growth comes by contract wins, this is a big win and this is a big deal. And it makes me think, when will they grow this to beyond just our own federal government? When will they move to other state and local agencies? When will they move this to allies, our ally governments for the United States? And then how long before they have more commercial applications that they can apply? This could be an exciting story, and you'd be getting in on the ground floor. I've got a small piece of this, and I'll continue to watch it, monitor it, and bring you updates. So hope this helps, and let me know your thoughts and comments.